You have retired. Congratulations. Now you got this big pot of money in your health savings account, your HSA. Can you use it to pay for a Medicare supplement? No. Can you use it to pay for a Medicare Advantage, a PPO or an HMO or a cost plan or a fee for service, any type of Medicare Advantage plan? Yes. How does that make sense? I am not here to make sense of your government's rules. I am merely the messenger explaining it to you. It can never make sense. Just memorize this stuff. HSA, you put money in tax-free. It grows tax-free. And then when you take it out, it's tax-free. It is a triple win, win-win-win. So HSA money is great, but you can't use it to pay for your Medicare supplement. You can use it to write yourself. So let's say you have this money and you're healthy and you're like, what do I do with it? You can write yourself a check every month and reimburse yourself for the money that's automatically taken out of your Social Security to pay for Medicare Part B. So in 2024, that's $174.70 a month. Just write yourself a check every month. Okay, that's easy. You can pay for the deductible on your Medicare supplement, which in 2024 is $240. You can pay for your copays. If you had a Medicare supplement plan N, you could pay the $20 copay for your doctor, the $50 for your ER. But you can't pay for the Medicare supplement itself. Can you pay for Cobra? Now, if you haven't watched my videos on Cobra, please watch them because Cobra is dangerous. It is an actual snake that will bite you in the form of insurance. But like most things, there are exceptions where I would recommend Cobra. And yeah, you can use your tax-free HSA money to pay for Cobra. There are over 250 things that you can use your HSA money on, and you can easily Google that form. You can't use it for cosmetic surgery. I get that a lot. Can I get a facelift? No. You can get it for Medicare-approved health needs. And you might be a savvy investor, and you might not want to use it at all. So the cool thing about an HSA, like I said, it was a win-win-win. It's actually a win-win-win-win. It's like a four-way win. Because let's say I get all these receipts for all these things that I've done, and I paid it all with my own cash. I didn't take it out of my HSA. I can tie my HSA to an investment vehicle, work with the CFP, they'll help you. Instead of just letting it sit on as cold hard cash. Tie it to an investment vehicle, let it grow. It's continuing to grow tax-free. And then I save all these receipts, maybe for years, all my receipts for years. I went to the dentist, I went to the eye doctor, I bought glasses, I got blah, 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 blah. Got this big stack of receipts. I haven't turned any of it in yet because I'm letting my money grow because I'm very savvy. And then 10 years from now, my money's doubled, right? Then I can turn in those receipts, even though they're 10 years old. That's why I'm kind of saying that's why it's like a fourth win, is the fact that you can give it those old receipts at that time. So an HSA is complicated when you're getting ready to retire because you have to know when to stop making contributions if you want to continue to do that after 65. I have other videos on YouTube that will explain the rules when to stop contributions. And you can find that right here on YouTube. If you don't subscribe to my channel, please do so you'll never miss a fascinating, barely comprehensible topic that'll get you ready for retirement. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare family.